You can write code on most laptops, but how do you find a laptop for programming that will greatly improve your security and productivity? Well, in this video we break down the top 5 laptops for programming on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for something easy to use on the go, or just want the best laptop for programming possible, we'll have the perfect product for you. So if you're interested in finding out which laptop for programming will be the best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch 2023. The MacBook Pro 14-inch 2023 is brilliant for creative workflows but also terrific for programming, taking the MacBook Pro to the ultimate level. This M2 Pro or M2 Max powered laptop blows the rest away with breathtaking power, an equally breathtaking battery life, and an XDR display with 1600 nits of peak brightness. The SD card slot and HDMI ports and 3 Thunderbolt 4 port help ensure you have all the necessary peripherals. Specifications: CPU, Apple M2 Pro 10-core, M2 Max 12-core. Graphics, integrated 16-core - 30-core GPU. RAM, up to 96 GB. Screen, 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Storage, up to 8 TB. Reasons to buy: new M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. Almost 20-hour battery life. The best screen on a laptop. Reasons to avoid: screen may be a bit small for some. Expensive. Count Dell XPS 15, 2022. Powerful performance across the board. The Dell XPS 15 delivers laptop perfection. That was our verdict after testing out this impressively powerful Windows laptop. All-day battery life makes it highly portable. Performance is excellent, the Windows machine running on 12th Gen Intel chips and up to RTX 3050 graphics. With portability in mind, we were also impressed with the all-day battery life, a feat we thought impossible on an Intel Alder Lake chip. However, the portable nature of the device is offset by a serious lack of connectivity. With 3 USB Type-C ports, there isn't much room for much else, especially USB Type-A peripherals. So you may need to carry a separate docking station if you want to connect a lot of devices. As an alternative, you could opt for the 2023 model. But during our tests, we felt it fell short compared to its perfect predecessor. Specifications: CPU, Intel Core i7-12700H. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 T-Mobile. RAM, 16 GB DDR5. Screen, 15.6-inch 3.5K, 3 for 56x2, 160p, 60 Hz, OLED, 400 nits, non-touch. Storage, 1 TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Thread. Microsoft Surface Pro 9 5G. A Surface with 5G mobile internet. Microsoft Surface 9 5G is a great choice for those who want a slimline, lightweight laptop with fast mobile connections. The only downside is the custom ARM chip. As a 5G system, the Surface Pro 9 5G stands ready to keep you connected at home and on the go without needing a Wi-Fi connection. In other words, this is an ideal laptop for programmers on the move, for example, a freelancer or someone working across multiple locations and field offices. It also comes with the new Windows 11 operating system pre-installed and one of the best webcams we've used on a laptop. On the other hand, the machine is ARM-based, so it won't run apps like Adobe Creative Cloud. For solid programming work, however, the CPU and RAM ensures an easy performance. With its bigger screen, nested and slim pencil, and day-beating battery life, the Surface Pro 9 5G moves Microsoft Surface line in the right direction, but the custom ARM chip brings a host of hiccups. Specifications: CPU, 12th Gen Intel Core i5, Microsoft Square 3 graphics, Intel Xe graphics, Microsoft Square 3 Adreno 8CX Gen 3. RAM, 8 GB to 32 GB. Screen, 13-inch 2880 by 1920 pixel Sense Flow display. Storage, 128GB, 1TB removable SSD. 4th. Apple MacBook Air, M2, 2022. Slim, sleek, and lightweight. If portability is most important when looking for a programming laptop, Apple's slimline, lightweight MacBook Air is absolutely worth consideration. It's so good, in fact, we named it the best MacBook overall. The laptop's impressive M2 chip delivers optimal performance and long battery life for when you're on the go. In fact, our benchmark tests showed real similarities between the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro 13 inches when it comes to performance. Yet, a sleek new design offers a larger, brighter screen than its 13 inches predecessor. So, think of it as an upgrade to the MacBook Pro 13 inches and it starts to make a lot of sense as a device. In practice, we found the laptop thin, light, and completely silent when in use, although expect the fans to kick in under seriously heavy workloads, like 8K video editing. Specification: CPU, Apple M2, 8-core, graphics, integrated 10-core GPU. RAM, 16GB unified LPDDR5. Screen, 13.6-inch, 2560 by 1664 liquid retina display, backlit LED, IPS, 500 nits brightness, wide color P3 gamut. Storage, 1TB SSD. 5th. Alienware M17 R5 AMD Advantage. For when you need a big screen. For a programming laptop with a large screen, the Alienware M17 R5 AMD Advantage is hard to beat. When we tested out the machine, we found it to be a beast of laptop for gamers, and that means it has all the top-end specs you need to code without performance issues. In our benchmark tests, we quickly discovered the device sliced merrily through almost everything we threw at it, and its high-resolution screen looked magnificent while doing it. If there are downsides, it's the M17's weight, the price paid for a solidly built laptop with a 17 inches display, and its unspectacular battery life. Here, portability comes second to performance. For an Intel-based 17 inches laptop for programming, the Dell XPS 17 is an excellent alternative. Specifications: CPU, octa-core AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX 3.3 GHz, 4.9 GHz boost, 16 threads. Graphics, 12 GB AMD Radeon R x6850M x discrete, AMD Radeon 680M, integrated. RAM, 32 GB DDR5 at 4800 MHz, screen, 17.3-inch 3840 by 2160, 120 Hz, 3 milliseconds refresh. Storage, 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. Thank you for joining me today. All the fantastic products I talked about in this video are listed below in the description. Don't miss out on these game